What's up, guys? It's Ask Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Bitcoin. I know it's been a long time since I got here. First and foremost, let me deactivate this and make the brightness of my phone more convenient for you. So sorry I haven't updated each and every one of us. A lot haven't been happening. Most of the stuff happening, they are all in line or in accordance to whatever I've been saying or predicting or analyzing. The only news that happened was Abu Dhabi and Trump. The CPI rates came out and it was positive. Nothing much really happened, just the market being bullish. And yeah, which brings us straight to our chart right here. Now, as you can see right here, I made it known to us that for Bitcoin we've broken out. As you can see, this what is it called, bullish divergence, we broke out of here, and we've been sending ever since. Now the question right now is, okay, when should we get the correction we've been waiting for? Before anything, the final should I say the final dip, the final correction before pumping to our next price target, which is $115,000 to $118,000. So if I should take this away, if you watch my previous video on Bitcoin, you definitely know where that is coming from. Now I'll be showing you guys two Bitcoin chart. First and foremost, this one, we could all see right here that we broke above this resistance here, and you will see that this line right here has formed support for a very long time. For a very long time, it has served as support ever since 23rd of November. So for since 23rd of November 2024, it has been serving as a support and also resistance in a way. So we managed to break above it. We got to this high levels, which is within the range of one 106,000. So I need to see it clearly, which is within this range of 105,800 all the way down to I think all the way down to $101,000. So I would say for now, let me introduce this here. Just for us to be aware of where we currently are right now. Yes, this is currently where we are. I think there are touches here. Right here. So this is where we are right now. So now we are definitely within this range. So what is going to happen right now is this. We'll have to watch out, because now the market is overpumped. The whales, people who bought around this region right here, they would want to take profit, or people who bought around this region, they would want to take profit. Even those that bought down here, they would want to take profit. So now you have to be careful. Now, if you ask me if this is the right time for you to open, I would say no. We have to definitely sit on our hands and wait for the final correction. This is the final move to the downside that we've all been expecting. Now the question is there every possibility for Bitcoin to pump? Yes, there's every possibility for Bitcoin to pump and continue rallying to the upside. But the question right now is there what are the chances? I'll say the chances of that happening are very slim. The chances of that happening is very slim. So what I would say is expected right now is we watch out within this range. We definitely keep a close watch within this range right here. So by within this range, I mean, if we get a breakout of here, it could be a breakout. Yes, let me explain this further. If we get a breakout above 106,000, it might be a fake out, because where people are expecting to take profit right now is 106,000, and so many people's target has not been met because some people took a long futures trade and their take profit right now is at 106,000. So psychological level is there's a high chance that we might not touch this 106,000, or we might break above it just to grab liquidity. Yes. So we might get a fake out, get a pump all the way up to 110,000. You never can tell. But at the end of the day, whatever move we get to the upside, we need backup with volume. So if we are able to break out of here, we'll definitely pull back. Left to me, there's a 70% chance of us pulling back down here. In as much as we've not broken below the 102,500 range, I would say we are good. We could get a move like this. That's every possibility because the news that have been coming out lately, they are all good news upon good news. So, but this is what I'm expecting. We get a pullback, so we drop all the way down to $96,000. Worst case scenario, we drop all the way down to $92,000, which I would prefer us dropping all the way down to $92,000. Trump said everybody should be ready for stocks to rally much higher. So as you can see, there is an imbalance right here. You could see. So there's every chance for this to be filled up. There's every chance for this imbalance right here, this gap to be filled up. So for this gap to be filled up, we might drop all the way down to $5,682. So now coming back to Bitcoin, I would say when the S&P 500 opens today and it's dipping, if the S&P 500 either dips to today or tomorrow, that means the weekend is gonna be very, very bad for the market. I was in a profit in my Ethereum trade. I exited I think 50% of the profit and waited at the sideline for Ethereum to drop. I will talk about that in my Ethereum trade. So I would say you should subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload my Ethereum video. So now I would say worst case scenario for Bitcoin is we're dropping all the way down to $85,000. Yes, $85,000. Is there every possibility of that happening? Yes, there's every possibility of that happening because this is crypto. So now moving to our other charts on BTC. If we move to the 1 hour's time frame, we could see that this is where we're currently trading at. Yes, you could see that this is currently where we're trading at right now. We've been getting higher highs. Now we are no longer getting the higher highs, as you can see. Higher highs, higher high, higher low. Now we are no longer getting it. Now we are beginning to get lower highs and lower lows. So expect anything to happen right here, because if we drop below this range right here and we get a retest here, there's every chance for us to drop all the way down to $93,000. So within this range, everyone should expect it. And worst case scenario, we might even drop all the way down to $86,000. There's every chance of that happening because, as you can see, in less than 2 weeks, we are able to rally this high. So yeah, this is just all I have to say for Bitcoin. But if you want to take a long position on Bitcoin now, I would say you shouldn't do that. And if I think I'm taking a very high leverage position, don't even try that. Just wait for a proper breakout, either to the upside or downside, before you know what you are doing next. That's all I have to say in this video. If you do enjoy this content and you wish to be getting more of contents like this, please do subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. And if you're a trader, you're looking for platforms where you want to use to trade, links are down below. Bybitk.io and Weex. Use the links below, sign up and start trading. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful week. Peace out.